Hello everyone, welcome back to our data science series. So far, we have focused on predicting numbers like soil strength or house prices. That was regression. Today, we are shifting gears. We are going to look at classification. We will learn the fundamental algorithm for making binary decisions, yes or no, safe or unsafe. This is logistic regression. Here is our agenda for this session. We will start by explaining the problem with linear regression when applied to categories. We will introduce the solution, logistic regression. We will look at the math behind the famous S-curve. We will compare linear versus logistic regression side by side. Then we apply this to a real engineering case study, slope stability. We will cover the critical steps of pre-processing and data split, followed by the Python implementation. Finally, we will evaluate our success using the confusion matrix. Let's start with a thought experiment. Imagine we want to predict if a slope is stable, which we call 1, or unstable, which we call 0. Why can't we just use the straight line from linear regression? Look at the graph. A straight line goes to infinity. If the slope is very steep, the line might predict a value of 1.5. What does 150% stable mean? It makes no sense. If the slope is very flat, it might predict negative 0.5. Linear regression fails because it is unbounded. We need a model that forces the answer to stay strictly between 0 and 1. The solution is logistic regression. Despite the name regression, this is actually a classification algorithm. Instead of a straight line, we use an S-shaped curve called the sigmoid. This curve takes any input value, no matter how huge or negative, and squashes it to fit perfectly between 0 and 1. This allows us to interpret the output not just as a raw number, but as a probability. Let's look at the math behind the curve. This is the sigmoid function. The formula is sigma of z equals 1 divided by, open parentheses, 1 plus e to the power of negative z, close parentheses. Here, z is just our old linear equation, mx plus c. Notice what happens. If z is a massive positive number, the function becomes 1. If z is a massive negative number, the function becomes 0. It acts like a mathematical switch, providing a smooth transition from false to true. Let's clarify the difference. Linear regression fits a straight line. Its goal is to predict a continuous value, like temperature or price. Logistic regression fits an S-curve. Its goal is to predict a category or the probability of belonging to a category. We use a threshold, usually 0.5. If the probability is above 0.5, we classify it as class 1. If below, class 0. Let's apply this to the real world. We are analyzing slope stability. Our goal is to predict if a landslide will occur. The inputs, or X features, are cohesion, friction angle, and water pressure. The output, or Y target, is binary. 0 means stable. 1 means unstable. We want our Python model to look at the soil properties and warn us if the risk is too high. Before we code, we must prepare the data. First, data splitting. In our analysis, we noted that simply slicing the data is risky. We must use random shuffling to ensure we don't accidentally put all the stable slopes in the training set and all the unstable ones in the test set. Second, scaling. This is mandatory. The sigmoid function is very sensitive to the scale of numbers. We use the standard scalar to normalize our inputs, ensuring that cohesion, which is small, and water pressure, which is large, are on the same mathematical playing field. Training the model is straightforward with Scikit-learn. We import logistic regression, we initialize the classifier, and we call classifier.fit, passing in our training data. In the background, the algorithm is finding the optimal weights for cohesion, friction, and water pressure that minimize the classification error. How do we know if it worked? For classification, accuracy can be misleading. We use the confusion matrix. This grid breaks down our predictions. True positives and true negatives are the correct predictions. False positive is a false alarm, predicting failure when the slope is safe. False negative is the dangerous one, predicting the slope is safe, but it fails. In engineering, our goal is often to minimize these false negatives at all costs. To summarize, logistic regression is the industry baseline for classification problems. It transforms linear outputs into probabilities using the sigmoid function. And remember, for this algorithm to work reliably, scaling your data and creating a proper train-test split are absolutely essential. Thank you all for your active participation today. It's been a pleasure exploring these concepts with you. I look forward to seeing you all in our next session.